and Happy New Year! Welcome back to Salted Pudding. We are back after what it feels like ages.
Honestly.
But yeah, well, as promised, we are here with a surprise today. Anna is gonna cook for you guys. I'm here just for 2 seconds and I'm gonna disappear. I'm so curious. I don't know about you, but
So let's see what I prepared for you. Today we are going to make frozen curly fries, for which we will need 750 grams of potatoes, and we will just place them in the oven for about 20 minutes. See you next time!
subscribe!
I'm kidding you guys. This is not what I'm going to make. I am going to make vegan stuffed peppers, which are my favorite. So let's see the real ingredients. I wasn't kidding you guys, I'm actually about to do this. So okay, let's get serious. We're gonna need 10 peppers, which I washed and cut at the top. We're gonna need 320 grams of rice, this is long grain, 200 grams of chopped onions, 250 grams of grated carrots. We're gonna need 225 grams of tomato sauce. Just buy one that has herbs in it. This has basil. Then I will need 3 vegetable stock pots. These have 28 grams each. Of course, salt, pepper, and as per usual, the secret ingredient to everything, olive oil. Okay, let's start with the rice. We're gonna boil it for no more than 10 minutes. Okay, and then we'll add 3 tablespoons of oil to the pan and wait for it to warm up.
Oh my god, that's a heart there.
Because I put heart and soul into my recipes. Okay, now that the oil is warmed up, we're gonna add the onions and stir them for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, you can add the carrots and 2 more spoons of olive oil. Let them cook for 5 minutes and stir from time to time. The rice is now ready. As I said, no more than 10 minutes because it will cook in the oven as well, and we can add it to the pan. Mix everything together. And you can add the tomato sauce. Guys, bear with me, I changed my mind. I'm gonna add 100 grams of tomato sauce. Mix again. Now you can also add your 3 stock pots. And as Elena would say, stir until everything is well incorporated. And of course, don't forget the pepper. And finally, the salt. Now that everything is mixed together, we will start filling in the peppers, which is my favorite step. Last step, we're just gonna grease the tray with some olive oil. Start filling in the peppers. While you do that, do not forget to preheat your oven. This is huge. Okay, let's go. Okay, one last thing I do, don't ask me why, just because, is add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce sauce on top of each pepper. You could also have some potatoes in between the peppers, but today our peppers were honestly huge, which is why I used so much rice as well. The peppers are now ready and we will put them in the oven for 50 minutes, 1 hour at 180 degrees. The peppers are ready.
And they smell so good and I am so hungry, to be honest.
Which one would you like?
The biggest one, this one, I'm sorry. I'm so hungry.
Are you serious?
And guys, we usually serve, we are gonna be vegan till the end today, so we usually serve them with this Alpro, what is that?
Soya cream,
Yeah,
which makes it a little bit nicer,
creamier. It's like the parmesan to the pasta.
Or you could use Greek yogurt if you want to make it vegetarian instead of vegan. But yeah, how are you for you to taste?
Well, I ate it 3 days ago and I loved it so much that I want to eat again. So
One of my friends requests this recipe so often. And I was like, okay, if you guys think it's so good, let's try it for the channel.
please don't expect like a whoa reaction.
I expect that.
No, but I know already the taste.
But maybe it's even better.
Okay. They are actually better than the other one. And I think I know why, because you put more stock in these ones.
I put 3 instead of 2, yeah. I proved you all wrong. I'm not completely useless in the kitchen. Hi mom, hi dad, hi cousins that don't believe in me.
Hi, Elena.
Hi Elena, my biggest non-supporter. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Hope you make these ones. Please make these ones. I know for sure some of you requested it, so yeah. But before you do them, just check the description below because I might have changed some things up. Would you want to add anything?
Guys, we have some announcements to make. We are not posting on Sundays anymore. We are gonna post on Saturdays at 12 o'clock. As we said before, no more twice per week because that was very, very, very tough.
Honestly.
So that's all, and we will see you next Saturday.
Happy New Year! How do I use this?
You just press on and wait. Are you kidding me?
I wanted to see your reaction.
Oh my god!
But actually, like, is it not gonna count the weight of the thing?
Okay, first you put the bowl. Not that one. Man, the empty
Without?
one.
And you couldn't tell me this before. I burned the peppers. I can't do anything.
Oh my god. You can act.
Oh. Nobody's gonna marry me ever.
Oh my god, go! If you too want some oil hearts in your pan, follow salted pudding.